So another topic that is very growing in the market is the exfoliation.
Absolutely.
Exfoliation can be done in two different ways. In a chemical way with alpha hydroxy acid or beta hydroxy acid, but also with a scrubbing agent. I know that Imerys developed a series of scrubbing agent, the Perlite, and here you bring a formulation.
First of all, we have a wonderful marketing story regarding the geographical origin. First of all, this is a volcanic rock. So for consumer, if you explain you have a volcanic rock with a gentle exfoliation, it's just wow marketing story.
Yes, of course.
We collect our perlite in Turkey, close to Dikili. This is the name of the city. By boat, directly go to our mining plant in Barcelona, very close to Barcelona. And in this mining plant, we warm at a high temperature, and with this high temperature, we create a sphere. And the knowledge of Imerys is to play with the diameter of the sphere. So we can produce small particle size, for example, dedicated for face, and biggest particle, for example, for body or foot. And for example, we developed this year a really interesting body scrub formulation containing two types of perlite. We decided to mix.
I can see the perlite inside.
Yes, of course. Very beautiful white spherical sphere. And as you can observe, very easy to clean and to blend because this is sphere. So when you have a sphere, roll onto your skin and you have a better homogeneity to remove the dead cell.
And this kind of scrub, just because it's spherical, is not so abrasive like the classical natural one, for example, from hazelnut or
absolutely, for example, from apricot seed, etc. Because apricot seed, nut seed, is very angular. Okay, and as you can imagine, when you have an angular scrub, one part of your body scrub, but the second part not, because it's not roll on onto your skin. When you have a sphere, you have a wonderful homogeneity, to be sure, and very gentle because it's sphere.
So you told me that here in this formulation we have two types of perlite. So you have a range of particle size. Which is the smallest and the high?
The smallest one, for example, for face mask, for face, this is 190 micrometer, and that's why our commercial name is ImerCare 190 P for perlite and scrub. And at the opposite, the two biggest one is 700 and 800 micrometer. So ImerCare 700 P scrub and ImerCare 800 P scrub.
So it depends on the market and the application. You can use from the gentle scrub to the more aggressive.
Yes, depend which part of your body you would like to scrub. For example, for foot, it's better to use the biggest one. If you would like to have, for example, for sensitive face skin, it's better to use the smallest one.
Yes, and it's important to have this kind of small particle size because the sensitive skin is growing, unfortunately growing in people, for example, for the pollution,
due to the environment.
so it's important.